We access the menu on the left and click on Anonymization/pseudonymization. We go to the menu on the right and choose the Files option. A screen will open in which we must drag and drop the desired file or press the Select Files button and choose them from the local system. It is important to note that Nymiz allows the anonymization of files in PPT and PPTX formats. Once this is done, we press the Continue button. The next step is to choose the replacement mode that we want our files to have, both to anonymize, irreversibly, and to pseudonymize, reversibly. Remember to select the method that best suits your needs to guarantee safe and efficient results. Once the replacement method has been selected, we apply the previously created configuration, adapted to the specific needs of the case. This screen shows a summary of the operation that we are going to perform, and we press Start Process. An animation will appear indicating that the process is in progress, and when it is finished, the PowerPoint documents will be anonymized and ready to download.